Cullen, did you find your thumb? Did you find your thumb? Oh yeah. That thumb tastes so good. Oh, it tastes so good. So good it makes me fall asleep.
You're Chuck. He said that child looks like Katie Crosby. That's pretty good.
Hey girl. You gonna suck that thumb? You gonna suck that thumb? Yeah. Say, oh, that thumb's so good. Well, what are you munching on over here? Your whole hand? You like your whole hand? Too bad your mouth isn't bigger. You could put your other hand in there. Yeah? You can't talk with your two hands in there. You silly. Yeah. Which one's better, left or the right? The left or the right? Look at all that drool. Good stuff. Good stuff.